Many students face a common problem. Their laptop battery drains fast even when they are not doing heavy work. Today, I'm going to show you a hidden Windows tool that helps us understand how our system uses power and why battery drain happens. This tool is called the Power Efficiency Diagnostics report. It is a built-in Windows feature that checks how efficiently your laptop or PC uses power. This report analyzes CPU usage, battery health, power plans, Wi-Fi power management, sleep states, and background processes. It gives us technical details instead of guesses. Why is this report important? Because it helps us identify what is draining the battery, whether the battery is healthy, and whether power-saving features are working properly. It is very useful for students, developers, and anyone who wants better battery life. This tool is mainly useful for students learning operating systems, laptop users facing battery problems, and anyone interested in system performance and power optimization. Now let us see how to generate this report. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Click the Start menu, type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. Now type the following command and press Enter. powercfg/energy. Windows will now analyze your system for 60 seconds. During this time, do not run heavy applications for accurate results. After the analysis is complete, Windows generates a report file named energyreport.html. This file is saved inside the System32 folder. Copy the file to your desktop and open it using any web browser. Inside the report, you will see different sections. The Errors section shows serious power efficiency problems. The Warnings section shows moderate issues that reduce battery life. The Information section displays power plans, CPU power management, sleep support, and battery details. This report gives a complete overview of how your system consumes power. So what is the real use of this report? It helps improve battery backup, identify unnecessary background applications, understand CPU and power behavior, and learn real-world operating system power management. For students, this report is not just a diagnostic tool. It is a practical learning resource. If you are using a Windows laptop, you should try this tool at least once. It helps you understand your system better and use it more efficiently.